I keep watching smart people ask an AI a question, get a confident answer, and just trust it. No source, no page number, nothing. And when I ask them how they know it is right, the honest answer is usually, it sounded right. Today I want to show you the free tool I hand to everyone who has that habit, because it does one thing differently. It shows its receipts. The tool is called NotebookLM from Google, and the difference is where the answers come from. You do not ask it about the whole internet. You give it your own material first, your notes, your contracts, your course readings, your reports. Then you ask your question, and every answer it gives is grounded in your own sources. With little numbered citations, you can click one, and it jumps to the exact passage in your own document that the answer came from. So instead of trusting a confident paragraph, you check it in one click. That flips the whole relationship. The answer is not the product. The pointer back into your own material is the product. For anything that actually matters, that pointer is everything. Here is the part nobody expects. There is a button that will turn your documents into a conversation. Two AI hosts talk through your material like a podcast episode, back and forth in plain language. Google calls these audio overviews. Upload something dense, a policy document, a long report, a chapter you have been avoiding, and press play on your commute. Is it perfect? No, and that is exactly why the citations matter. When something in the audio catches your ear, you go back to the notebook, ask about it, and click through to the passage itself. Listen for the overview, click for the truth. Used that way, the combination is honestly hard to beat for the price of free. So here is the move. Tonight, take one real document from your life. Your rental agreement, your insurance policy, your notes from a course. Upload it, ask the one question you have actually been wondering about, and then click the citation before you believe the answer. That single habit, answer then receipt, is worth more than any prompt trick I could teach you. I share one practical AI tool like this every week. No jargon. See you in the next one.